Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about the 11/11 sale on Aliexpress. So if you want to download Aliexpress from the App Store or go to aliexpress.com, okay? So you're going to start off by seeing these coupons right here. So you can select get big coupons, and then you just want to hit shop now. So you can pretty much get anything you want. As you know, they sell lip gloss, base, hair, accessories. They sell a lot of different things. So I'm just going to click on the lip gloss tubes right here. And these are some very pretty tubes, as you can see. And let's look at the sale price. So you can get these tubes. You can have them shipped from China, and they'll be $1.24 a tube, or get them shipped from the United States, and that'd be 41 cents. The only catch is they only have 10 left in stock, and it's going to cost you $52 for United States shipping. Why? I'm not sure. They always seem to charge more money when it's being shipped from the USA. So again, you can look at all these different kind of tubes they have. As you can see, I recommend getting it shipped from China because it would be a lot cheaper. And then they have coupons, so if you spend $21, you can save $1. Spend $300, you save $10. Spend $78, you save $2. Spend $200, you get $5. Spend $122, you get $3. Spend $176, you get $4. Okay. Again, they have a lot of different stuff on here. I just bought these right here. I thought these were so cute. These are just like the AirPod cases. So definitely check that out if you have AirPods and you want a case for your phone. They have masks, like I said before. They have hair, ring lights. So I really want to get one of these machines. So like people are making lip gloss now by just putting the Versace or the lip gloss base in like this top part and putting in the tube on the bottom. So I might buy one of these one day when I'm not too sure. So yeah. I saw another place on here where you could get some these. So some people like to get their logo on the tubes. So this company does do this. We can look at the prices. So if you want to get 5 of these with no logo, it'll be $7. Or you can get a custom logo on it and 50 of them, and that would be $61. But with the discount, you would get it for $58, which isn't bad at all. So they have different color tubes. They have these black ones, frosted, the black clear, the white frosted, and the white clear. I kind of like these white tops. They are so pretty. But yeah, I think I seen somebody's feedback with the labels on, so you can see what it looks like. So as you can see right here, she got her name in white with the white tubes. They got their name in black right there. So that's very pretty. That's something, you know, different. Some people, they don't care for like the sticker labels, so this would be a very good option. These are some very cute tubes. I will leave this vendor in the description box. Okay, let me add this to cart so I can remember to do that. And then they have coupons, so you can get $4 off any order over $40, or you can get $2 off of $65, but you can save up to $6. Okay, I'm going to keep it moving. Let's see what else they got. So I could just type in some empty lip gloss tubes, but I kind of want to see like what's already on my home page. So it's just showing me things that I look at, which are basically a lot of masks, because I want some more masks, some hair, that kind of thing. They have a lot of different things, guys. They have these tubes right here. These are pretty. So about prices, you can get 20 for $15, $2 shipping. Okay, you get free shipping on orders over $40. After the discount, it would be $13.90 for 20. You can get 10 for $8, and you can get 5 for $4.54, which is really, really good. So definitely check that out. Excuse all that background noise. But yeah, let's talk about the coupons. So you can save $2 off any $2. You can save $1 off $15, and you can save $2 off $35, which is really good. So yeah, guys, or you can just hit get now, and it'll be added to your cart, and it should automatically come up. Or you can just copy this code right here if you want to get this deal right here. So I can just hit copy, and then you would just paste it when you get to the promo code at checkout. Okay, guys, so I just typed in empty lip gloss tubes at the top, and these are what came up. So right here, I really love these tubes. These are also on sale. They are 20% off. The sale ends in 1 day and 11 hours. Okay, so you still have time to, browse and see exactly what you want. So they have these tubes right here. These are only 38 cents, guys, per tube. You cannot beat that. Okay, and that's with the box. So it comes with this box right here. So you would just fold it and then put the lip gloss tube in. Or you can just get the tube by itself right here, which is still very pretty. It does come with stoppers, as you can see. Only 30 cents. Then you have these right here, the gold ones for 30 cents. And then the ones with the box cost 38 cents. So it's like, why not get the one with the box? It's only 8 cents more, But then it does add up when you buy like 100. So it's something you have to think about. Do you really want to fold all these boxes up when you put the lip gloss in? So it's definitely, something you want to consider. I don't know which one I would choose, because like I don't care to have my stuff in boxes because I have it in bags. But then it's like, why not? It's so cheap. So it's like, why not do it? But then I don't know. So shipping is $1.79. So shipping might go up depending on how many you buy. So like let's say I want to buy 50. So shipping goes up to $17, which is kind of high for shipping. So if I choose 100, it says 100 at most per customer. Interesting. There should be no limit on this. So shipping will be $28, but it'll come fast. So it's like, okay, I don't mind. So if I add this to cart, and this is with the box, that's 38 cents. So they should have some coupons. Okay. They have $2 off. You get save up to $6 on orders over $65, which is not bad at all. So to get these coupons, I want to say you have to have like coins, which you can just go on the home page and hit get coin. If you add something to cart, you should also get coins. It just depends on what item you're adding to your cart. So yeah. So again, you just want to go through these and see exactly what you want. Ooh, 12 cents. Okay, wait a minute now. From China. So all of these are 50 cents. Well, these are 39 cents. Okay. 38 cents. If you get it from the United States, it's cheaper, but again, shipping is going to be way too high. So get it from China. These are small, 2.5 ml. That's extremely small. So just keep that in mind if you decide you want to buy. But again, they are 50 cents each. And some of these are 30 cents, I believe. So free shipping over orders that are $18, which is really good. So let's say I wanted 50 of these. How much would that be? Let's see. 50 shipping would be $4. It depends how much we are at to see if we get over free shipping. So here are the coupons. You can save $1 off $21, save $10 off $300, save $2 off $78, save $5 off $200, save $3 off $122, and save $176. Save $4 off $176. Okay, keep that in mind. Then you have these up here. Save $3 per $55. So I added that to cart. I'm going to go to my cart. I'm going to select it. It's going to be $22. So it says if we spend another $1, we can get $1 off right here. It says we are qualified for a 1% off. Add 45 more to get 2% off. No, thank you. I don't think so. So I'm just going to add a couple more. See, now we need spend 6 cents to get $1 off. Okay, we can do that. So there we go. You save the $1, spend another 14 to get $2 off. We're not doing that. So when I'm ready to check out, I'll just hit check out. So yeah, guys, this is my cart. So again, guys, you just want to go to Aliexpress and just look at everything that they have that is on sale. Okay, they have a lot of different things you can look through and you can get exactly what you want. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.